Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a number plot, and a number plot here means a single key metric. This is designed for monitoring of KPIs, making it perfect for dashboards where users need to quickly assess their performance. So let's get started. I'll head over to my flows, create a new flow, give it a name number plot, and I'll head over to File Manager to upload my data. Click on Upload. And your data is ready. Now head over to Plot Dashboard. Click on Create Plot. Select number up here. Select your data set and continue. Now in option set, we'll select our matrices. Here I'll select X, and in aggregation I can select sum, mean, minimum, median, whatever you wish to. I'll select sum, and here I'll select Y. Totally optional, but if you wish to you can select. And in the advanced options I'll select upper boundary as say 100 and lower boundary as 10, and you click on create plot, and your number plot is ready in just a few simple steps using aicuflow.com. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, do check out our documentation and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.